Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer Archero to account. To transfer your Archero to account, make sure your original account is linked to your Google Play Games or Gmail, typically the one tied to your Play Store. The game auto connects to Google Play, so all you need to do is ensure the same Google account is used on the new device. If you don't have Google Play Games installed, head to the Play Store, download it, and open it. And the bottom right, tap the profile icon and select the account where your Archero2 progress is saved. If it's not listed, you can add a new account and sign in using the Gmail that holds your game data. Once that's done, open Archero2 and it should automatically sync your progress to the main account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.